Hi, I'm Todd Hallett. I'm here from TK Design and Associates. We're a home design firm that's based out of southeastern Michigan, but we're doing work all over the country. And what I often get are existing homeowners who want to do renovations to their home. And they might just want to do an exterior renovation. Today I'm going to show you how we can convert a traditional home into a modern farmhouse look. This is a photograph of the existing home as it stands. You can see it's a pretty home, but it also needs to have a little bit of updating. So we take this and we convert it to a set of a drawing, basically. A line drawing that can then be sketched over top of, and that's what I'm going to do today. As you can see, we just updated a traditional, very pretty traditional home to a modern farm exterior. For more tips on design and how to update your houses, like or subscribe, tkhomedesign.com.